Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial video on our activity challenge and a few other ways that you can have fun on the platform. So to go ahead to the activity challenge, you're going to go ahead and scroll down here on this left menu and hit the little running guy. This is activity challenge, and then click on activity challenge again. As you can see, there are a list of activities with different ways that you can engage with the foundation and different points that are associated with each activity or task. So pretty self-explanatory. For the activities that you do, you will get the points that are associated with them. So for example, visiting the CCF resources tab will get you 10 points. Each correct trivia answer will get you 1 point, etc. So there are a plethora of ways for you to get engaged with the foundation and have fun. We'll go over a couple different ways that you can do the activity challenge so that you know how to access the assignments and where to find them on the platform. You can also go ahead and click the leaderboard, which is going to show you your current activity score, as well as the leaderboard. So it kind of shows you where you are in ranking of that as well. So if you're someone that's competitive, you'll definitely want to take a look at that. There also is opportunities for polling and trivia. So it's the little quote bubble up here, a couple tabs above. So to answer the trivia, you will go ahead and just start answering the question. So there's A, B, C, or D. Once you have selected your answer for the question, you'll go ahead and submit, and we'll let you know if you got it right or wrong. You do just have one opportunity to do the trivia. It's not a repeat trivia, so keep that in mind when you're playing it. You definitely want to take the time to think so you can get as many points as possible. There also is an opportunity in this tab to do polling. So there will be a couple of speakers as they present that they will want to do a live poll. So essentially they will just ask a polling question and it will look really similar to the trivia. There'll be an A, B, C, or D option. So if you see that pull up on your screen, you'll go ahead and click in the polling and trivia, and you will select your answer to the question that you are asking. And during this time, the trivia will have to turn off just so that they can initiate the polling process. It should take no longer than 1 to 2 minutes, and then the trivia will be back in session. So keep that in mind as well. There are a few other opportunities that are listed on the activity challenge, such as the testimonial tab here. This gives you an opportunity to share your story or leave a testimonial or quote. So we definitely recommend you to do that as well. And then up here, there is the CCF Lounge. This is kind of the general chat. So if you ever have any questions or want to give kudos to the speakers, you go ahead and tap here to post, and whatever you type there, once you're done, you just go ahead and hit submit. Now, this does take a second for your message to appear. It's not immediately, so just be patient and wait a few seconds as it pulls up. You can also reply to other people's comments to interact with them. So you'll just hit the reply button and then same kind of concept, submit. And that is a few options there of the activity challenge. Have fun.